Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add bills in QuickBooks Online. Open QuickBooks Online, navigate to Expenses, click New Transaction, choose Bill, select Vendor, set bill date, enter line items and amounts, attach receipts, set payment terms, and save the bill. I'll also show how to match payments, edit bills, and run a basic bills report so you can keep accounts payable organized and accurate. Let's get started. I will walk you through filling bill fields, entering quantities, rates, and tax. Start by selecting the vendor, pick bill date and due date, then add line items with description, quantity, rate, and account. Attach files and notes for future reference. Double-check tax settings and payment terms before saving. I'll also cover common mistakes to avoid so your accounts payable stays accurate and your bookkeeping remains audit-ready and stress-free. Let's continue. Quick recommendation. If you like a durable, leak-proof bottle, try the Owala water bottle for long days at the desk or on the go. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and share what topics you want next. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick your favorite color or size for easy hydration on busy accounting days. Now let's get back to the video. I will explain how to pay and match bills to bank transactions. Use Pay Bills to record payments, choose bank or credit card, select bills, enter payment date and method, then save. For matching, open banking, find the bank transaction, and match to the saved bill payment to avoid duplicates. If partial payments exist, record the partial amount and reconcile regularly to keep vendor balances accurate and prevent payment errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.